Alright, so we're looking at solving systems of equations using graphing and a table today. So, the new rapper Cutie Pie is searching for a recording studio to make her demo CD. The cost of a CD at Quadrant Music Incorporated is $2 per song, plus a $1 fee for materials. Slope Recording Company charges $1 for each song, plus $5 for materials for a CD. Which company should Cutie Pie use? Alright guys, remember you have a recording sheet for this, so please make sure you have it out. Alright, the cost of a CD at Quadrant Music, remember, is $2 per song, plus a $1 fee for materials. Write the linear equation to determine y, the total cost of a CD, if x songs are purchased from Quadrant Music Incorporated. Alright, so here's the equation. There was the equation. There it is. 2x plus 1. Okay, because it's $2 per song, plus a $1 fee. Remember, our fees usually are y-intercept. So it wants you to graph the equation on the coordinate plane on your recording document, and also enter the equation of y1 on the graphing calculator. Remember guys, you can be using the Calculate 84 app on your phone, okay, or you can go to Desmos.com on your computer to be able to graph these. Alright, so Slope Recording Company charges $1 for each song, plus $5 for materials for a CD. Wants you to write the linear equation to determine y, the total cost of a CD, if x songs are purchased from Slope Recording Company. Alright, so you should have had your equation written. Your equation is x plus 5. Right, because it's only $1 per song, so there's only one x. Alright, I want you to graph the equation on the coordinate plane on your recording document and enter the equation in y2 on the graphing calculator. View the graph and table. Remember, to view the graph and table, you have to click Second and Graph. Alright, so you should have both of these lines graphed on your recording document. If you do not, please press pause so that you can finish graphing them. Alright, so this is what your graph should look like. Okay, we have both the cost of the Quadrant Music, which is our blue line, and then our Slope Recording Company, which is our green line. What number of songs makes the cost of both companies the same? Alright, so on your graphing calculator, you should be able to look at the intersection point, okay, on your calculator. And I will review this in class so you can see it on the TI-84, so it'll be a little easier. Alright, but you should be able to see the table. As you notice, in order to find where they intersect or cost the same, on the graph above, we're looking for the two lines to intersect each other. So right here. So this would be at the solution point of 4, 9. Okay, where they cost the same is just where they intersect. And when you look at your table in your calculator, you can notice here, when x is 4, both y1 and y2 share the same value for y. Okay, at 4, they both have 9 for the y value. Alright, now what number of songs makes Quadrant Music, so my blue line, okay, or my y1, when will the Quadrant Music Company be cheaper? Okay, so if you notice, we know at 4, 9 they're going to be the same. And after 4, okay, Quadrant starts to be a little bit more expensive. It's $11 versus 10, 13 versus 11. Okay, so from numbers 1 through 3, okay, Quadrant Music is cheaper. Okay, you can also notice on the graph, okay, the blue line is under the green line until they hit 4 songs. making it cheaper. Alright, now, when will Slope Recording Company be cheaper? Okay, so we talked about how at the coordinate point of 4, 9, they were the same. This is the slope recording, and Y2. As you notice in the table, after 4 songs, Slope starts to become a little bit cheaper. Okay, so Slope Recording Company is cheaper over 4 songs. So, which company should QT use? I'm going to let y'all decide. Okay, the intersection point for the graphs of the equations y equals 2x plus 1 and y equals x plus 5 is 4, 9. This means that the value of x, that the x value of 4 and the y value of 9 simultaneously satisfy both equations. Okay, this wording right here, simultaneously satisfy both equations, you will see this numerous times. Okay, simultaneously means at the same time, both equations share that. Okay, simultaneously at the same time, they satisfy, they equal. Alright, that is how they will ask you in a test question. So the intersection point of the graphs of these equations is the solution to this system of linear equations. So we call it our solution to the system of linear equations. Remember, the system means 2 or more lines. But do the graphs of linear equations always intersect? Help QT compare these recording companies. The cost of a CD at Discrete Music Designs is $3 per song. For a CD at Linear Tunes Unlimited, there is a materials fee of $4 and each song costs $3 to record. So I want you to write the equation for each company to determine the total cost Y for X numbers of songs purchased. Graph both equations, and what do you notice? So I want you to pause the video real quick, write both of the equations, graph your lines, and tell me what you notice. Alright, so your equation, first off, for Discrete Music Company was Y equals 3x. For Linear Tunes Unlimited, you should have 3x plus 4. Alright, so here's my 2 lines graphed. Okay, and what you notice is they both have the same slope. So therefore, when they have the same slope, remember, our lines are parallel. Okay, will they ever cross each other if the lines are parallel? No, they will not. So therefore, can I have any solutions? No, I cannot. So when your graphs of the equations are parallel, there is no solution to the systems of linear equations. Okay, they will never touch each other. The lines will never intersect. Therefore, we don't have a solution to both equations. And in order to tell that before graphing, you need to pay attention to your slopes. We notice that they have the same slope but different y-intercepts. Okay, that's a telltale sign that we're going to have no solution. Alright, we have 2 more to compare. The cost of a CD at Any Quality Music is $4 per song, plus a materials fee of $1. For a CD at Constant Songs Incorporated, there is a materials fee of $6, and each song costs $4 to record. However, this month they are offering a $5 discount off materials fee. Write the equation for each company to determine the total cost Y for X numbers of songs purchased. Okay, so I need you to pause the video. I need you to write both equations, graph your lines, and tell me what you notice. Alright, your equation for Any Quality Music should be Y equals 4x plus 1. For Constant Songs Incorporated, you should have 4x plus 6 minus 5. Okay, you notice that you can simplify that. And we get 4x plus 1 for both of my equations. You notice that both the slope and the y-intercepts are the same. So therefore, when you graph the line, they're going to be graphed on top of each other, creating only one line, meaning that you have infinitely many solutions to a system of linear equations whose graphs are the same line. Okay, yes, it will be written as infinitely many solutions, not all real numbers. Okay, when we talk about systems of equations, it will be listed as infinitely many solutions. Okay, it means that every single point is a solution. Alright, so that's all for today. Please make sure you bring your completed recording document to class.